Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just want to show you this adapter. This is a AAA batteries adapter. So if you have any equipment or any device that uses batteries and it does discharge them so often, so you keep changing and replacing the batteries, I think this tool will help you. For example, if you are using a multimeter and this multimeter is just there in your bench, so you can connect this adapter instead of using the rechargeable batteries. So this is a 6-volt DC adapter, okay, and it is connected to this dummy battery. All of these are just dummy batteries, just like a wire. So the output of this adapter goes to this dummy battery, positive and negative adapters. So if, for example, your device is using a 4 AAA batteries, then you need 4 of these fake batteries or dummy batteries along with this adapter. This is dedicated for 6-volt batteries, so you need to use it only on 4 batteries. On any device uses 4 batteries. Okay, so if you have, for example, 3 batteries, then you have 3 volts and 1.5, so 4.5 volts. Then this one does not suit it, does not fit with it. It will cause damage to your device. There is specific adapters for any type you want. I got this from AliExpress and it has got here a on-off switch. So if, for example, your device uses 2, then you have to get a 3-volt adapter. If you are using like the one I use 4 batteries, then you need the 6-volt adapter. So let's try it. I have been using this multimeter and it discharges the batteries pretty often. So I have already removed the original batteries. I always used a Duracell batteries or Energizer batteries, but they discharge very quickly. So let's try and use this one. Okay. So let's connect this one here, this one there, and this one here. But before we connect this to the multimeter, let's check the actual voltage, the output voltage of this adapter. Okay, so let me just connect it to the power supply and test it. Okay, let's measure it. We have how much? We have 6 volts. Okay, so it is good. Let's try to turn off this switch to see if it does work. And yes, it does work. Okay, let me connect it to the multimeter and see what happens. Okay. I think I will have to make a small hole on here for the wire to pass, but I will see. Okay, let's try and turn it on. This one first. Okay, and yes, it does work and it is awesome. I think this adapter will solve my problem. I was changing the batteries almost every 2 months, and all of those batteries are very expensive, the Duracell batteries and the Energizer batteries. This tool, I think I got it for about $4, I think. I'm not sure. Let me just find it and show you. It's this one. It's for 5 $0.6. It's so cheap. And if you go into it and go to the selection or the options, we have 3 volts, we have AA 3 volts, AAA 3 volts, AA 4.5, AAA 4.5, and also AA 6 volts and AAA 6 volts. And this is what I have purchased. Okay, so this tool is really awesome from what I can see, because this multimeter is always on my bench, but this one sometimes I take it out with me. Okay, let's test and try if the beep mode works. Yes, without any problems. So it is beautiful. I hope you find this video informative and helpful. If you want to buy like this one, I can leave the link on the video description. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.